Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. I'm going to walk you through how to use our cold processed hair oil. This multifunctional oil has only 4 ingredients. It's a beautiful blend of oils, including argan oil, meadow foam seed oil, and plant-based squalene. How to use the oil on freshly washed hair that's towel dried like this. You're going to take the pipette and you're going to drop 1, 2, 3, and then you want to grab the hair almost like a ponytail, twisting it around like that, and then taking sections, just massaging it in like that, especially getting all those little ends, and then whatever's left over, kind of just go over the top a little bit so it's not too heavy in oil. Just lightly adding some nourishment. So if you want to use it weekly for a more intense treatment, you can use it with our hair mask. I'm going to use about that amount of hair mask, and then I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3. And you want to massage the mask into your hand like that with the oil, and then you're going to apply the mask as normal, making sure you're really getting that massage into the hair. So I'm going to leave that in for like 15 minutes just for a really intense treatment. It's deeply nourishing, it's helping repair damage, and your hair will feel incredible. And so I'm going to show you how to finish it off. And I'm going to start off just with 2 drops, and you can really work it up as much as you need. And then just again twisting through the hair like that. You're going to section it, making sure you're spreading it through it all, through the palms. And so look how incredible that is. It's got that heat protectant in it for when you are blow drying it, and helps just give you that beautiful shine, take away any frizz or any little flyaways. And it is the perfect product to complement your style.